Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams by Van Halen on keyboard. To start, focus on the foundational chords, C, a minor, E minor, and F. These are crucial for the song's structure. The piece is primarily in the key of C major, which simplifies understanding the harmony. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords for both the verse and chorus sections. The tempo is moderately fast, around 144 beats per minute, so start slowly. Next, let's tackle the main melody and riff, primarily played by your right hand. This part often features a bright, buzzy sawtooth synth sound layered with piano. The intro has a distinctive repeating melodic phrase. Pay close attention to its subtle changes each time. Achieving the correct syncopated rhythm is essential to truly capture the energetic feel of the song. Practice these phrases until they feel natural and fluid. Now, let's integrate your left hand for the accompaniment. The left hand typically plays the bass line, providing a solid rhythmic foundation and reinforcing the root notes of the chords. For example, in the verse, you'll often play bass notes like E, F, a minor, and G. It is vital to coordinate both hands, ensuring they work together to create a full and consistent sound. Focus on a steady eighth note rhythm in the left hand. Finally, here are some tips for practicing and performing Dreams. Always begin practicing at a slow tempo with a metronome to ensure accuracy before increasing speed. To achieve an authentic sound, try layering a piano sound with a string or synth patch on your keyboard. Concentrate on smooth transitions between sections and use dynamic control to bring out the song's energy. Consistent practice will lead to a confident and enjoyable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.